For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has represented humanity's deepest view into the universe. Its enormous mirror, infrared vision, and ability to observe some of the earliest galaxies ever formed changed the way we understand cosmic history. Webb showed us galaxies from a time when the universe was still young, revealed hidden regions of star formation, and exposed planets and atmospheres in extraordinary detail. It created the feeling that humanity had finally built the ultimate machine for exploring the cosmos. But NASA is preparing another observatory that will transform astronomy in a completely different way. It is not designed to replace Webb, nor is it built simply to look farther into space. Instead, it is designed to look wider, faster, and more systematically than any previous space telescope. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will approach the universe like a giant cosmic survey machine, mapping billions of objects and searching for the invisible forces that shape everything we see. While Webb studies individual galaxies, stars, and planets in remarkable detail, Roman will examine the larger structure of the universe itself. It will investigate the mysteries of dark matter, the force behind the accelerating expansion of space, and the hidden architecture connecting galaxies across billions of light years. The most important discoveries of the future may not come from studying one extraordinary object, but from recognizing patterns spread across the entire cosmos. At first glance, Roman may not seem as impressive as Webb. Its primary mirror measures 2.4 meters, much smaller than Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. But comparing these telescopes by mirror size completely misses Roman's purpose. Webb is designed for extreme depth, focusing on tiny regions of the sky and revealing breathtaking detail. Roman is built for scale. Its wide-field instrument will capture enormous portions of the sky in a single observation, allowing astronomers to survey the universe hundreds of times faster than many previous observatories. One Roman image will cover an area vastly larger than what Webb can observe in a single pointing. That difference is crucial because many of the greatest mysteries in modern physics cannot be solved by examining only a handful of galaxies. To understand dark matter and dark energy, scientists need enormous amounts of information. They must observe millions and eventually billions of galaxies, measuring how they are distributed across space and time. Roman will create some of the most detailed maps of the universe ever produced, transforming astronomy from the study of individual objects into the science of cosmic patterns. It will reveal how galaxies cluster together, how gravity influences their motion, and how the universe has evolved over billions of years. The greatest mystery Roman will investigate is the invisible universe. Everything humans have ever seen, touched, or directly detected accounts for only about 5% of everything that exists. The remaining 95% is believed to consist of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious components that dominate the universe while remaining largely unexplained. Dark matter neither emits nor reflects light, making it completely invisible. Yet its gravitational influence appears everywhere astronomers look. Galaxies rotate much faster than they should if only visible stars and gas were present. Something unseen provides additional gravity, preventing these enormous systems from flying apart. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Observations over the past several decades have shown that the expansion of the universe is accelerating, as though an unknown force is continuously pushing space itself apart. Understanding this mysterious phenomenon has become one of the biggest goals in modern cosmology. To investigate these invisible forces, Roman will rely on one of Einstein's most remarkable predictions, gravitational lensing. According to the theory of general relativity, massive objects bend spacetime itself. As light from distant galaxies travels across the universe, it passes through these warped regions, causing the galaxies to appear slightly distorted when viewed from Earth. Those tiny distortions contain an extraordinary amount of information. Even though dark matter cannot be seen directly, its gravity bends light just like ordinary matter. By measuring these incredibly subtle changes across hundreds of millions of distant galaxies, Roman will build the most detailed maps ever created of dark matter throughout the cosmos, giving scientists an entirely new view of the invisible. Roman's investigation of the invisible universe will not stop with dark matter. The telescope will also observe thousands of exploding stars known as supernovae and carefully measure the large-scale distribution of galaxies throughout space. These observations will help scientists determine whether dark energy behaves exactly as current theories predict or whether it points toward entirely new laws of physics that have yet to be discovered. But Roman's mission extends far beyond cosmology. It will also transform our understanding of planets beyond our solar system. One of its major scientific programs will focus on gravitational microlensing, a technique that detects planets in a completely different way from most existing planet hunting missions. Instead of watching planets pass in front of their stars, Roman will search for moments when the gravity of a planet briefly magnifies the light from a much more distant background star. This effect may last only a short time, but it reveals the presence of planets that are otherwise impossible to detect. This technique is especially valuable because it can discover colder planets orbiting far from their stars, worlds that resemble the outer regions of our own solar system. By continuously monitoring millions of stars toward the center of the Milky Way, Roman is expected to discover thousands of previously unknown exoplanets, giving astronomers their clearest picture yet of how common different planetary systems really are throughout our galaxy. Yet perhaps the most exciting aspect of Roman is not what scientists already expected to find. It is what nobody has imagined yet. History has shown that every truly revolutionary telescope has made discoveries no one predicted. Hubble revealed unexpected galaxies and entirely new views of the expanding universe. James Webb uncovered surprisingly massive galaxies that formed much earlier than many scientists believed possible and revealed astonishing details inside the atmospheres of distant worlds. Roman is likely to continue that tradition. Because it will monitor such an enormous portion of the sky with unprecedented speed, it is almost certain to uncover rare cosmic events, unusual gravitational phenomena, mysterious objects, and entirely new patterns that challenge existing ideas about how the universe works. The universe has repeatedly demonstrated that its greatest secrets are often hidden not within the places scientists are already studying, but in regions that have never been observed well enough before. Roman will open those unexplored regions on an unprecedented scale. The true importance of the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is not that it will be better than James Webb. It is that together they will provide two completely different perspectives of the same universe. Webb is like an incredibly powerful cosmic microscope, revealing astonishing detail within carefully selected targets. Roman is like a cosmic surveyor, producing an enormous map that shows where those targets exist and how they connect within the larger structure of the universe. Together, these observatories will form one of the most powerful scientific partnerships ever created. Roman will identify mysterious galaxies, strange gravitational effects, unusual stellar systems, and regions worthy of closer investigation. Webb can then turn its extraordinary sensitivity toward those discoveries and examine them in remarkable detail. One telescope will reveal the patterns. The other will explain the details. Together they may finally allow humanity to move beyond simply observing the universe and begin understanding how it truly works. When Roman begins its mission, it will do far more than collect beautiful new images. It will create an entirely new way of seeing reality itself. It will measure the invisible forces shaping galaxies, trace the history of cosmic expansion, discover thousands of new worlds beyond our solar system, and search for answers to some of the greatest unanswered questions in physics. The universe has always been filled with hidden structures, unseen forces, and mysteries beyond our imagination. Roman's mission is to bring those invisible parts into view, reminding us that the greatest discoveries are often not the ones we are searching for, but the ones waiting patiently to be revealed.